Have you ever wondered what happens to your body when you stop eating for more than a full day? We're not talking about just skipping breakfast or doing a standard 16-8 fast. We're talking about pushing through to the 36-hour mark. It might sound extreme, even intimidating, but the biological shift that occurs inside your cells during this window is nothing short of a metabolic miracle. From deep cellular detoxification to a complete hormonal reset, let's break down exactly what happens to your body, hour by hour. 0 to 12 hours, the transition. The first 12 hours are the most familiar. Your body is busy processing your last meal. For the first few hours, your blood sugar rises and insulin is released to transport that energy into your cells. Once that process is done, your body turns to its primary energy backup, glycogen, which is sugar stored in your liver and muscles. During this phase, you might feel the first waves of hunger. This isn't true hunger. It's simply your brain reacting to the drop in blood glucose and the rise of ghrelin, the hunger hormone, which follows your usual eating schedule. 12 to 18 hours, the metabolic switch. As you cross the 12-hour mark and head toward 18 hours, your glycogen stores begin to run low. Your body reaches a critical crossroads called metabolic switching. Since there is no more easy sugar to burn, your system is forced to look for an alternative fuel source, your stored body fat. Your liver starts converting fat into fatty acids and energy molecules called ketones. You are now entering the early stages of ketosis. At this point, many people notice their hunger actually starts to diminish as the body begins to realize it has thousands of calories of fuel stored in fat cells. 18 to 24 hours, brain power and growth. By 24 hours, the biological magic really intensifies. As insulin levels hit a baseline low, your body compensates by spiking the production of human growth hormone, or HGH. In fact, studies show that a 24-hour fast can increase HGH by up to 2,000% in men and 1,300% in women. This hormone is vital for preserving muscle mass and repairing tissues. Simultaneously, your brain begins to produce more BDNF, or brain-derived neurotrophic factor. Think of this as miracle grow for your brain. It supports the survival of existing neurons and encourages the growth of new ones. This is why many fasters report a sudden lift in brain fog, replaced by intense mental clarity and a sharpened sense of focus. 24 to 32 hours, autophagy, the deep clean. This is the stage that scientists call the gold standard of fasting. Around the 24 to 30 hour mark, a process called autophagy reaches its peak. Autophagy literally translates to self-eating, but it is an incredibly beneficial process. Without the burden of digesting food, your cells finally have the energy to perform housekeeping. They identify old, damaged components, malfunction in mitochondria, and misfolded proteins that can lead to disease. Your cells break these down and recycle them into brand new, healthy components. It is the ultimate internal anti-aging mechanism, reducing systemic inflammation and revitalizing your immune system from the inside out. 32 to 36 hours, metabolic flexibility. As you enter the final stretch, your body has become a highly efficient fat-burning machine. Your metabolic flexibility is at its peak, meaning your body can now switch between burning sugar and burning fat with ease. Your inflammation markers are at an all-time low, and your digestive tract has had its first real break in perhaps years. This is where the most significant weight loss and cellular repair happen. Interestingly, by hour 36, most people feel a sense of calm and sustained energy, as ketones provide a much more stable fuel for the brain than glucose ever could. Breaking the fast, the critical step. How you end your 36-hour journey is just as important as the fast itself. Your digestive system has been in a deep sleep. Waking it up with a heavy, carb-loaded meal can cause a massive insulin spike and digestive distress. Step 1. Start with something liquid and gentle, like a cup of bone broth or some diluted apple cider vinegar. Step 2. Wait 30 minutes and have a small snack of healthy fats and protein, like half an avocado or a hard-boiled egg. Step 3. An hour later, enjoy a balanced meal, avoiding processed sugars and refined flours to keep those fasting benefits going as long as possible. A 36-hour fast is one of the most powerful biohacks available to humans. It resets your metabolism, cleans your cells, and sharpens your mind. However, it is a tool that should be used with respect. Always listen to your body. Stay hydrated with water and electrolytes, and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any underlying conditions. Have you ever pushed past 24 hours? What was the hardest part for you? Share your journey in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive into human biology, give us a like and subscribe for more science-based health content. Stay strong, and we'll see you in the next video.